My people, today will be the 10th day of this Cybersecurity Awareness Month. I want to show you how to enable MFA for some of your accounts. Understand? For some of your accounts like your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Gmail, and important accounts like that. Okay? So if you get Facebook, now go to your Facebook settings. If you go to Facebook settings now, go find where they write password and security inside settings. If you see password and security, press am. Inside that password and security now, you will see where they say two-step authentication. Enable am. If you enable am, if you press am, you go see say they will ask you wetin you wan use as your extra security apart from your password. Now to do am for your Gmail, e dey simple too. Inside your Gmail, go to settings. When you see settings now, go to where they say security. If you see security, press am. If you press that security, you go see where they say two-step verification. Now press that two-step verification, na it be that. You understand? If you want do am for your WhatsApp, wey dey very important too, understand? Go to settings. If you go to settings, you go see where they say account. Now click on account. When you click on account, you will see where they say two-step verification. Na it be that. So wetin we dey try talk? Find one app for your phone wey dey important to you and enable two-step verification. Enable that extra security. No say I go do am tomorrow, just spend that small time do am today. You understand now? Small time dey save big wahala. My people, do we get sense?